Welcome to Nirmalamatha Central School, Kindergarten. Let's practice reading letter phonic sounds from A to Z. A to Z, practice reading letter phonic sounds. Use this presentation to help with letter recognition and consolidation. This presentation will also help in first letter recognition. Capital letter A, small letter A. Small letter A. A says A. A as in apple. A as in arrow. A as in ant. A as in axe. B. Capital letter B. Small letter B. Small letter B. B says B. B says B. B as in bird. B as in bat. B as in boy. B as in ball. B as in balloon. C. Capital letter C. Small letter C. Small letter C. C says k. C says k. K as in cap. K as in cup. K as in carrot. K as in cake. K as in cat. D. Capital letter D. Small letter D. Small letter D. D says D. D says D. D as in drum. D as in duck. D as in dog. E. Capital letter E. Small letter E. Small letter E. E says eh. E says eh. Eh as in elephant. Eh as in engine. Eh as in egg. F. Capital letter F. Small letter F. Small letter F. F says f. F says f. F as in flower. F as in fox. F as in fish. F as in fan. G. Capital letter G. Small letter G. Small letter G. G says G. G says G. G as in goat. G as in girl. G as in gate. G as in gum. H. Capital letter H. Small letter H. H says H. H says H. H as in horse. H as in house. H as in hen. I. Capital letter I. Small letter I. Small letter I. I says E. I says E. E as in igloo. E as in ink pot. J. Capital letter J. Small letter J. Small letter J. J says J. J says J. J as in jacket. J as in jelly. J as in jug. J as in jeans. K. Capital letter K. Small letter K. Small letter K. The phonic sound of the letters C and K is the same. So small letter K. K says K, K as in king, K as in kite, K as in kangaroo, K as in key. L. Capital letter L, small letter L. Small letter L. L says L. L says L. L as in lamb. L as in ladder. L as in lion. L as in lock. M. Capital letter M, small letter m. Small letter m. M says M says as in moon. As in monkey. As in mug. As in mango. Capital letter N, small letter n. Small letter n. N says N says as in needle. As in nest. As in newspaper. As in net. O. Capital letter O, small letter o. Small letter o. O says O. O as in orange. O as in ox. O as in octopus. P says P. P says P. Capital letter P, small letter p. Small letter p. P says P. P says P. P as in panda. P as in penguin. P as in papaya. P. P says P. Q. Capital letter Q, small letter q. Q says Q. Q says Q. Q as in queen. Q as in Q. Q as in quilt. R. Capital letter R, small letter r. R says R. R says R. R as in rose. R as in rocket. R as in rabbit. R as in red. S. Capital letter S, small letter s. Small letter s. S says S. S as in soap. S as in spoon. S as in seal. S as in seesaw. T. Capital letter T, small letter t. T says T. T says T. T as in tomato. T as in telephone. T as in tiger. T as in television. U. Capital letter U, small letter u. U says A. U says A. A as in uncle. A as in umbrella. A as in up. V. V. Capital letter V, small letter v. V says the. V says the. The as in violin. V as in vegetables. V as in vase. V as in van. W. Capital letter W, small letter w. Small letter w. W says W. W says W. W as in wolf. W as in wool. W as in watch. W as in whale. Capital letter X, small letter x. Letter X, small letter x. X says X. X says X. X as in X-ray. Y. Capital letter Y, small letter y. Small letter y. Y says Y. Y says Y. Y as in yak. Y as in yellow. Y as in yo-yo. Z. Capital letter Z, small letter z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z as in zoo. Z as in zebra. Z as in zip. Hope you all have learned the phonic sounds of the letters A to Z. Thank you and happy learning.